Salute, Flemming from Denmark, aka Lyte Burly, back with another 52 blocks video. My 18th 52 blocks video, Specialized Punches Part 5, was a long video covering a lot of different punches. Among those was defanging the snake and gunting, and rolling punches. I already reposted a video about defanging the snake and gunting, and now I'm gonna repost a video about rolling punches. And this is because these punches are not very well known, and I wanted to make it easier for you to find the video covering these subjects specifically. Rolling punches is Lyte Burly's signature style of punching. I've only seen him teach rolling punches. I learned it from him. The rolling punches has several advantages from normal punches. Normal punches start from a static position with the hands and then you punch. Rolling punches start from moving hands and then you are punching already moving your hands. This has two advantages. One is when the hands are moving before the punch itself becomes less telegraphed. When the hands are moving before the punch becomes faster. Now, the ability to punch without telegraphing and being fast allows you to get more hits in. The rolling punches are not power punches, they are snapping punches. The speed delivers impact and snap, and the twisting of your hand right at the end delivers impact and snap. This impact and snap will cause the opponent's head to snap back, disrupting him. Now, when you can get in with your rolling punches, it's not to get the knockout, it's to get the setup. So after you connect with your rolling punches, you're snapping your opponent's head back, then you're setting up the ability for you to deliver your power punches, your full extension punches. And this video is going to tell you how to accomplish that. I always hit Bob and he keeps coming back for more. Why is that? Short answer, he likes it. If you like this video, you should come back for more too. And the best way to do that is just as quick as a 1, 2, hit like, hit subscribe. It actually helps the YouTube algorithm, and that helps me to make more videos for you. And as you are enjoying this content, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can enjoy it with you. I appreciate you. Here's what you have to do. This is unique for 52 blocks because this is Lyte Burly's signature punch. I haven't seen it done from anyone but Lyte Burly, and it's called the rolling punch. And the rolling punch is, this is a normal punch, normal jab, and normal straight. The rolling punch would be more like this. And what it does is, the normal punch you see coming straight at you, rolling punch. It comes outside your field of view and then comes down, and you can repeat it. The main thing with the rolling punches is at the end you do this snap. So this is snappy impact. And you can do the lead hook with the rolling punch as well. And the lead hook is difficult to imagine, but what you're doing is you're coming over, snapping. So these are snappy punches. And the really difficult ones to understand are the uppercuts, because normally an uppercut will come like this. And people in general, and sometimes me too, have a tendency to drop the punch and hit up. I'm not dropping it this far when I'm not doing it correctly. I might be dropping it like this, but this is still enough to get clipped. It should come straight from here up. It's called an uppercut. Up. But in the rolling punches, it's impossible to drop it, because in the rolling punches you're going forward like this. You are rolling your punches, going forward and then snapping at the end. So it's almost like a karate block like this. But these are uppercuts, and you're not dropping those before. So another thing with the uppercut is you're not just doing this with your hand. No. As your hand is moving forward like this, you are moving your entire body, getting offline. And as you are throwing the left one, you're moving your entire body, getting offline to the same side as the rear one. Rear one offline over here, this one offline over here. So straight, hook, uppercut, uppercut. Straight, hook, uppercut, uppercut. And the last one is naturally the overhand right, which is easy to do with the overroll. All you have to do is roll. All you have to do is continue to roll. Rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are overrolls. And with last, sorry. With last, this is a normal jab. This is a overrolling jab. You can see it's different. It's a different view for Lars, and it takes him off guard. So you've been jabbing him like this, or boom, then you go over, hitting down, and then twisting your hand on impact. The same thing goes here. Boom. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. So you're doing this. Boom. And it's difficult to see because my hands are in motion as I'm coming in. Boom, boom. These are really difficult to see. And the hook. Boom. Short, snappy hook. This way. I'm really, as I'm coming forward over his hand, I'm snapping it in like this. Snapping it in like this. And even that one last well, not pain, but you could feel the effect it would have if I had put any power in it. So I'm out here. Boom, boom, boom.
And notice that he lifts up his elbow.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Snapping it in, and snapping in the uppercut, like this. And another thing about the uppercut, if we turn a little like this once again, another thing about the uppercut is, if I do anything, just put it up to protect it or anything. If I do anything like this to occupy his guard, this is easy. This is boom, real easy, boom, real easy. Continue. So the uppercut is good for getting into tight places, coming as a surprise, and teaching you not to do this as your uppercut.
Don't
but boom,
yeah, exactly.
Boom. Hey, remember to put your body into it, even though it's from overrolling. Boom, 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 like this. And the last one, the old-time favorite, overhand right, not difficult. Boom, 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 boom. Just a simple continuation of the roll. So those are overrolling punches. Now we're gonna do underrolling. We're gonna present him with overrolls and underrolls. I'm gonna go to Bob first. Thank you, Lars. Those are overrolls. The most difficult one with the overrolls are the uppercuts. But give them a chance, because they will help your uppercut become better, and they will give you other options. Underrolling. Underrolling is meant to go to the body, but you can go up like this. It's almost like a floating jab, coming from the peekaboo. What I'm doing is, instead of throwing a normal jab, I would be boom, coming up like this, boom, come up like this, boom, boom. And you can combine them. You can do an overroll, underroll. Big surprise for the opponent. Overrolling, underrolling. So, but straight punches, underrolling, coming back, extending, coming back, extending. Remember to drop your level. Don't do this. Don't do this, setting up here. Keep the other guard up. Keep the other guard up, drop. And you can throw them high if you want. So you can do this. Forward, backwards, give him something to take his mind off of what he's doing and make him concentrate on what you're doing. Makes it easier for you to hit him. Underroll, hook, same thing. I'm rolling back, and as I'm coming here, I'm twisting. And this is definitely, underroll hook is definitely not one to throw to the head. But very quick to the body. So overroll, underroll. Overroll, underroll. Rolling like this. Uppercuts are very easy with underroll. Boom, boom. All they're doing is you're rolling, coming up. You're rolling, coming up. Remember to twist your, in the rolling punches, this is the power. Even though with the underroll, you have a good amount of rise and body movement behind the punch. Still twist it. Snap his neck. Not break it, but snap it back. Okay? You can't break it with this, but you can snap his head back. The most difficult one with the underroll is the overhand right, because rolling this way, then going this way, this is not a continuation. But if I'm doing this, boom, to the body, boom, from back here, boom. So, boom, to the spleen or to the kidneys. Boom. If he starts doing this, then you know you hit him in the kidneys, because the kidneys control the water, the moist, and he gets a dry mouth if you hit him right in the kidney. So if he starts doing this, you know you connected good. Cut mouth. But boom, 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 boom. That's underrolling. Boom, 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 boom. That's overrolling. Overroll, underroll. Overroll, underroll. Throw. 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 Underroll and underroll and overroll. Rolling punches, Lyte Burly special. So to recap, you can do overrolling punches and underrolling punches, and you use all 6 punches: the jab, the straight, the hook, the uppercut, the overhand right, and the same to the body: the jab, the straight, the hook, the uppercut, and the overhand right. Overrolling punches generally go to the face. Underrolling punches generally go to the body, but you can, of course, underroll hitting high. And you can combine your punches, so you're overrolling, underrolling, making them faster. So now you know how to throw your punches, overrolling and underrolling, and they are extremely well suited for infighting. So as you are gunting, you can connect with your overrolling, underrolling punches. As you are arm clearing, you can connect with your overrolling, underrolling punches. So take your time, practice, especially the hook coming straight forward before it twists, especially the uppercuts coming straight forward before they twist, and practice combining overrolling with underrolling, and practice your overhand to the body. Those are the punches that are the most difficult, but those are also punches that will serve you well once you learn them. So that was a lot of information. I hope you could use it. This is Flemming from Denmark saying salute. See you on the next one.